Let's unbox my first ever Swiitchbeauty order together. I'm so excited. I didn't order that many products, but I'm just over the moon that I finally got my hands on a few products to test and try out. So let's open her up. I actually bought these products during their March sale, if I'm not mistaken. But I was in Joburg and I got the package delivered to Durban. So yeah, I had a family member just grab it for me. This has been long awaited. So like I said, it's really not much. It's only 3 items. Let's just have a look at this packaging. It's so cute. Like it says here, hello human, your makeup plus skincare from the internet is here. How adorable is that not? Love this. Oh, this packaging, it's so sleek and elegant. I really love it. Okay, this is the Swiitchbeauty Due Diligence, #Due Diligence Balmy Highlighter Stick in the shade 1. So let me open her up just to show you. I will do reviews of these separately, but stunning packaging. Gorgeous. I can't wait to try these out. So there is that. And then next up is this #Actual Cheekbones Duo Pan Cream Contour. Okay. I thought I ordered a blush. I don't know why. But I can actually remember that I did order this. Oh my goodness, I love this. This packaging is gorgeous. Let me open her up for you. I'm excited to try this out. This is number 4. They didn't have many options because like I said, it was during their sale. So this was highly discounted, like I'm thinking like 50% off if I'm not mistaken. And then with any order during March, during that sale, you got a free jet black eyeliner pen with that. So I'm really excited to try this out. So yeah, I just honestly wanted to try a few products from them. So I'm literally like the type of person, if I start adding items to the cart, I literally won't stop. So I was just like, just stop and order 1 or 2 items. And then I got this jet liner for free, which I'm so excited to try out. I've actually been wanting a new liquid liner, so this is just perfect. So best believe me, I am hyper excited. Stay tuned for my review on these babies and I'll let you know my thoughts surrounding them. Let me know in the meantime, have you tried any of these products, and let me know your thoughts surrounding them.